made for us actually. It's supposed ukuthi yenze ama-battery, it's supposed to isebenze kwezinye izinto, but today siyithola nasemzimbeni wabantu. I-cobalt, having a lot of cobalt around you, it may cause skin cancer. It may not will, it may cause skin cancer because being exposed to cobalt, it's not a good thing altogether. Ngoba sizobheka abantu nje abanenkinga yokuhlaselwa yi-skin cancer, abantu abaku-first world countries. Reason why? They use dishwashers, imishini le yokuwasha izitsha, imishini yokuwasha ingubo. It produces what is called cobalt. Sinento ke esingeke size siyazi ngoba sobe siqala ukuyizwa. Lento itholakala kubantu abafaka ama-eyeliner. Yabo lento abayifaka labantu besifazane sibuza ama-eyeliner. When you use it quite often, it may cause blindness. It may promote blindness. When reason why? It is an unnatural chemical called antimony. Antimony, ANTIMONY, antimony chemical. It's bad for your eyes. Please start to do something else. It is bad for your eyes. Mese kuzothi ke umbuzo uthi babudokotela khona buy lawa bizayo. I'm not sure ngaze ngiqiniseke ngalaba abiza ukuthi awanayo yini ilogo i-antimony. Face powder lento yabo lento esimasaja ngayo esiphephetha ngayo esovela ezitudo kanjalo nje i-right leyanto but kufuze ukuthi silikhulume iqiniso. One of the ingredients that is used there, abantu aba-understand ukuthi ama-falls, they are taken from powder that is baked into kwakhiwa amazinyo ama-falls. I-ingredient esebenzayo laphayana, titanium. Titanium iyasebenza. And having titanium in your face is not good for your face because you invite izifo zazi njenganani, njenganazi cancer yesikhumba. Cancer yesikhumba. Yeah, umbuzo uthi babudokotela into sithatha ngathi usijwayela kanje wena. Ngena kwi-reference, ungene ku-Google ubhale ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthola lencwadi online. Dr. Hulda Reger Clark. Dr. Hulda Reger Clark. How you will spell Reger? It's REGEHR. Clark, CLARK. If you spell